Effectively presenting audit findings ensures that management, employees, and key stakeholders understand the results and take necessary actions. A well-structured presentation helps gain buy-in for corrective actions and supports continuous improvement efforts. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Why presenting audit findings matters. 2. Key components of an effective audit presentation. 3. Best practices for communicating audit findings. By mastering these techniques, auditors can deliver clear, impactful reports that drive action and improve compliance. 1. Why presenting audit findings matters. Presenting audit findings is more than just reading a report. It's about engaging stakeholders and ensuring they understand key strengths and areas for improvement, nonconformities and their potential risks, corrective actions required, and implementation timelines. The business impact of findings on compliance, quality, and efficiency. 2 key components of an effective audit presentation. A strong audit presentation should be clear, avoid technical jargon, and focus on key findings. Concise, stick to essential information without overwhelming details. Actionable, offer practical recommendations for improvement. Recommended presentation structure. Introduction, purpose of the audit, scope, and audit criteria. Summary of key findings, overview of strengths, weaknesses, and risks. Detailed findings and evidence, classification of findings, supporting data, and root cause analysis. Recommendations and action plan, corrective actions, responsible personnel, and implementation timeline. Conclusion and next steps, summary of critical takeaways and follow-up audit plans. 3 best practices for communicating audit findings. Know your audience. Tailor the presentation for executives, managers, or operational staff. Use visual aids for clarity. Charts, graphs, and images make data-driven findings easier to understand. Keep the tone professional and objective. Present facts, avoid assigning blame, and focus on solutions. Engage stakeholders with interactive discussion. Encourage questions and feedback to ensure alignment on corrective actions. Key takeaways. Audit presentations should be clear, concise, and actionable, focusing on key findings and recommended actions. A structured approach, introduction, summary, findings, recommendations, conclusion, ensures stakeholders understand the results. Engaging presentations with visuals and discussions help drive commitment to corrective actions. By mastering audit presentations, auditors ensure findings lead to real improvements, enhanced compliance, and operational success. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to conduct effective follow-up audits to verify corrective actions.